Hi, I'm going to be discussing color theory. So what color theory is seen between the eye? It's an attention grabber. So colors have shown on the brainwaves that they can signal different emotions, being happy, sad, disgusted, and angry. Color theory is used in many different skills and jobs. For example, hairology in the hair industry. Um, Theory is the top used method in this industry. When working with hair, you are going to see hundreds of different colors, good and bad. When lightening hair, you're going to see the 10 stages of lightening, 10 being the lightest level, and then level 1 being the darkest level. What people don't tell you is there's technically 25 stages of lightning when you break it down, but we make it into a smaller portion because it's easier, it's more memorizable. So when you will go from having level 1 hair to being black and watch it transition into red, orange, dark orange, medium orange, light orange, dark yellow, medium yellow, and then lastly the lightest pale yellow. So this is why we break it down. Instead of saying you have medium yellow hair, we say that you have level 8, 9 hair. Instead of saying the different shades, saying that there's yellow. So this is a level 10 and then this is a level 1, so it's being the darkest shade, and this is how it goes when in the lightening process with color theory, because there are the primary colors into the hair. So because simply put, the color theory, the science is that every formula is based on whether you are lightening or coloring a client's hair. Color theory is impossible to know whether the results will match the client's expectations. And what I mean by that is that you can say that they could possibly lighten all the way to level 10, but then when you do get to that point where you have to rinse them and they are at a level 8, 9, you're gonna have to put a level in there, and you're gonna have to use stronger complementary colors to tone it out to help make it seem that they got that light, but it's going to be a little bit darker than those expectations, so that's why we use it. So first is our primary colors that consist of red, yellow, and blue, and then you have your secondary colors, which are orange, green, and purple. After your secondary comes your tertiary colors: red, violet, blue, green, red, orange, and yellow, green. Lastly comes your complementary colors. Again, this is what we use in the toning process. This is what neutralizes everything and helps complement those unwanted tones. So there's red, yellow, blue, orange, green, and purple, violet. The reason we use the color wheel in the toning process is to neutralize unwanted tones in the hair. Another thing is that we use the color theory by adding levels. So if someone were to pull more over here, but they were also over here and then a little bit over here, you're going to want to put the darkest level and make it all match, because you don't want to have 3 different colors in the hair. So using this darkest color and then adding in blue will help neutralize the unwanted tones, because they're going to pull more orange, and that's why you want to put a level in there. So when going backwards into color theory, you'd want to fill the hair. So what I mean by going backwards is they can be at a level 10 and they want to go back to their natural, which is a level 3, 2. So after stripping all that color out of the hair cuticle, you're taking out all the primary colors. So you're going to want to add the primary colors, because all that's left is the level, it's at level 10, so all that's left is yellow. So you want to add back red and green into the hair, red and blue back into the hair. So if you're going to have to put that into your formula, and you're going to have to fill it first before you add that level in there. So you're going to have to use a toner, put all of those colors in there, and then rinse it, and then dry the hair and put that level in so it doesn't fade out to a muddy hair color. So this is why hair theory is so important. You have to be educated about it. You have to go to school for it, because things can go wrong. You can add different levels in there and make it a muddy mess. So I hope you guys get a better understanding of color theory. Thank you for listening.